Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going to work a little bit with 3D objects, mainly text. So what I wanted to do is create a new Fusion composition, which is going to be about 20 seconds. Create it, add it onto your timeline, and then go to Fusion and let's start working. So first thing you have to do is add a background, and now let's get into the 3D stuff. So add your text. Let's type in this is 3D. Let's preview it here. Let's add some depth to it. Let's change its color. Alright, so I will add some depth, as you have seen, and next I will add this render 3D. Next we need a merge. We connect the background with the merge and with the media out, and then the render 3D, I'll connect it with the merge. And now if I choose media out, I should see this. Now with this merge I could actually rotate it, so I can rotate it from here or from here mainly. So if I choose to transform it, I can rotate the whole thing this way or this way or this way. Now what I will do is I will copy all of this. Where is it? So copy, and then I will paste it. And now I have it here. Let's put it this way. And now I have another text. What I can do with it is that I can create kind of a mirror looking or something like that kind of text. So if I go here, I will make the depth smaller first of all, then I will make it this way, then I'll put it this way, and this way, and this way, and now I'm going to change its opacity down to 0.079. So that's how it looks now. I can actually change its color a little bit, this way, this way, and I could add a background, different one. So I mean, of course not that one. Let's add this background. Even this is better than nothing. And I think I can change it back to how it was, this way. And I can take the opacity up a little bit, and it looks like a reflection. So that's how you could also create an effect where you can see the reflection of your text. Now let's try out some shapes. I will add a shape 3D, then a render 3D, and I will connect it to the merge. And if I choose to have let's say so shape 3D, let's say I want to have a cube, I could rotate it. Wait a second. Rotate it this way. As you can see, I will work only with one screen so far. I could change its material to anything I want. So let's do it yellow. I can change its size, and of course what I can do is play with its rotation, so I can rotate it however I want. This way, and if I play this animation, it will look something like this. As you can see, I could also change this into a cylinder, but I'd have to make it smaller this way. And let's add caps at bottom and at top. Alright, so let's make it this way, and then maybe rotate it. And also I can change these settings and play with them just like here. Or let's try a cone. So you've got an idea of 3D shapes, but mostly I use only 3D text. So that's what I use 3D shapes for, because I'm not doing any CGI or something like that. I just need text. I need to make it look a little bit more interesting than usual, and I simply might change its colors, for example. I might transform it this way. Let's make it more deeper this way. And that's pretty much the only reason I'm using text. And text is very great looking, especially when you're using tracking. So when you're using tracking, you can track text, and for example, you can I showed you in some of the past videos how I track text, but it's better when you track 3D text because it looks much better and much greater. So that's it pretty much for 3D objects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, where we're going to edit a project by using some of the tools we have learned inside the Fusion tab. So see you there.